Today we are unboxing the new Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra. As you can see, the phone itself comes in this nice premium titanium finish and that familiar note-like form factor we've seen in the S23 Ultra and the S22 Ultra. On the back, you have your quad camera array with the main camera, telephoto cameras, and ultra-wide. At the bottom, you'll find your usual USB-C port, SIM tray, speakers, and your S Pen holster. The rest include the power and volume buttons, and an additional pair of speakers at the top. Alright, let's check out the new flagship phone. The phone ships with One UI 6.1 out of the box. Cameras are pretty good too, coming with the full complement of settings and shooting modes that you can expect from a Samsung device. Main camera is a 200 megapixel wide camera with OIS for capturing great detail. However, you no longer have the 10 times optical zoom, as it's been replaced with a 5 times one, but at 50 megapixels. At least you still have a 10 times digital zoom, which in our experience still works well enough. As with most Ultra devices, you get a bundled S Pen inside the phone, which you can use to take notes, draw, and navigate around your phone. And as you can see, it's very responsive thanks to its 120Hz dynamic LTPO AMOLED display. The S Pen is also useful for making quick touch-ups and edits on your phone, as it makes highlighting objects a lot easier. The Galaxy S24 Ultra also comes with its Galaxy AI features, which really expands the capabilities of your phone. For instance, this new circle to search function allows you to immediately look up an item on your screen by simply doing a long press and drawing around it. So that's our quick look at the S24 Ultra. For a more in-depth look at this device, make sure to check out our write-up at the link below.